Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a delicious and nutritious treat in store for you. We'll be diving into the vibrant world of Vietnamese cuisine with a closer look at an absolute favorite. Goi Ga, the Vietnamese chicken salad. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our culinary adventures. Goi Ga, also known as Vietnamese chicken salad, is a refreshing and flavorful dish made with poached or shredded chicken, fresh herbs, vegetables, and a tangy dressing. Ingredients: poached chicken breast or thigh meat, cooked and shredded. Mixed fresh herbs, typically cilantro, mint, and Thai basil. Vegetables, commonly cucumber, carrot, and red bell pepper. Lime or lemon juice. Sauce: sugar, garlic, minced. Chili peppers, optional, for heat. Roasted peanuts, crushed, for garnish. Instructions: poach the chicken. If not using leftover cooked chicken, poach chicken breast or thigh meat until cooked through, no longer pink in the center. You can add some ginger and garlic to the poaching liquid for flavor. Once cooked, let the chicken cool and then shred it into bite-sized pieces. Prepare the vegetables. Julienne or thinly slice the cucumber, carrot, and red bell pepper. You can also use a mandolin slicer to achieve thin and uniform slices. Prepare the herbs. Wash and chop the fresh herbs, including cilantro, mint, and Thai basil. In a small bowl, combine lime or lemon juice, fish sauce, sugar, minced garlic, and finely chopped chili peppers. Adjust the chili to your preferred level of spiciness. Start with a ratio of approximately 1 part lime juice, 1 part fish sauce, and 1–2 teaspoons of sugar. Assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the shredded chicken, prepared vegetables, and chopped herbs. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together to ensure even coating. Sprinkle crushed roasted peanuts over the top for added texture and flavor. Serve the Goi Ga immediately as a refreshing appetizer or light main course. Enjoy your homemade Goi Ga. You can customize the ingredients and dressing to suit your taste preferences, making it a versatile and delicious Vietnamese salad. Goi Ga, also known as Vietnamese chicken salad, is a delightful dish that's both refreshing and flavorful. It's a staple in Vietnamese cuisine and is perfect for those hot summer days when you're craving something light and satisfying. The name, Goi Ga, roughly translates to chicken salad, and it features tender, poached chicken, fresh herbs, and an assortment of crunchy vegetables, all tossed in a zesty, tangy dressing. Now, let's break down the key ingredients that make Goi Ga so special. They're poached to perfection to maintain their tenderness. These herbs add a burst of freshness and aroma to the dish. These provide that satisfying crunch that contrasts beautifully with the tender chicken. And of course, the dressing. The dressing is a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors, usually made with ingredients like fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and chili. Now, it's time for the juicy part of our video, the unknown facts about Goi Ga that'll leave you hungry for more. Did you know that Goi Ga is a traditional Vietnamese dish with roots that trace back centuries? It's a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Vietnam. Goi Ga is not only a delightful appetizer or side dish but can also be a satisfying main course. In Vietnam, Goi Ga is a popular dish for celebrating Tet, the Vietnamese New Year. Its vibrant colors symbolize luck and prosperity for the coming year. While chicken is the most common protein in Goi Ga, you can also find versions with other meats like shrimp, pork, or even tofu for a vegetarian twist. The balance of flavors in Goi Ga is incredible. Adjust the flavors to your liking. Toss everything together. Presentation is key when it comes to Goi Ga. Let's make this salad look as good as it tastes. Now, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. The taste test. The flavors are just exploding in my mouth. The tender chicken, the crunch of the vegetables, and that incredible dressing, it's like a party in your palate. And there you have it, folks, Goi Ga, the Vietnamese chicken salad. It's not just a dish, it's a culinary journey through the flavors and traditions of Vietnam. Before we wrap up, Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and found the unknown facts about Goi Ga as fascinating as we did. Share this video with your food-loving friends and family, and be sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and food adventures. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep enjoying delicious dishes from around the world. See you soon!